Hey guys, good morning. So welcome to the SQL tutorial. Today we're going to discuss about the student data upload utility. So basically, we have data in Excel format. Okay, this is student data, consists of student ID, its name, city, and college name, department, and course. Okay, so the process is very simple. First, we'll analyze the data, the Excel data, and then the tables which are present in our system or in our software. Okay, and then we will write the query to validate the data, that is to check the correctness of data, whether that college, department, student or its ID is present or not, and all kind of. Okay, that we'll do using the writing queries. And then after validation, we'll insert the data to the main table. That is, we're gonna insert the data into the student table. Okay, so okay, this is our main student table. As you can see here, we have here college ID, department ID, and course ID. Okay, and here we have their names, college names, department names, and course names. Okay, so okay, so here basically we will follow, there is three level. Okay, first is student Excel data. Okay, I have already uploaded this Excel data, okay, into one table, this. So as you can see, we have the Excel data here. I have already imported the data here in this table. Okay, so Excel data, what we'll do, we'll check, we'll verify the data, and then we'll update the same. What we're going to update in the student verified data, uh, in this, what we'll do is, as you can see here, I have already taken here college ID, department ID, course ID. Okay, if the given department name matches with our master table department, okay, then I'll update its ID here. Same for college ID and then for course. Okay, so that's the reason I have taken these three columns. And apart from the fourth column is migration status. Okay, that I'll explain. Okay, so we have done the analysis and these are the main tables. Okay, so on analysis we can see here we have ABC Engineering College and XYZ. Okay, and we have only three departments. Okay, and then we have the three course. Okay, okay, now we'll check whether any of the student provided in the Excel data has computer science or electrical or physics. If that in any of the three matches with each student, any of these departments, same for college and same for course, so only that types of data or that student record will get inserted into the main student table. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll simply shift the Excel data which is present in this table to the student verified data. Okay, simple, done, 7 rows affected. Okay, here. Okay, now analysis part is done. Okay, now for the data validation we have transferred the student from student Excel data to student verified data using the insert query. Okay, I hope you guys are now familiar with writing the SQL queries. Okay, I will provide you the link in the description about for the SQL tutorial, and apart from that, how to import Excel data to this main table, that also link I will provide you in the description. Okay, don't worry. So we have successfully transferred the in student verified data. Okay, now first part is done. Now we'll write the query for data validation. Okay, I have already written here the validation queries. Okay, I'll explain one. Okay, rest everything for each validation, same query will get used. First we'll check the college, simple update SVA points out to what? Student verified data. Okay, just now we have transferred in this, right? Now we will check whether we have the college name matches with our main master table college name. If matches, if the name is matched, then update that college ID. Simple. Okay, same for department, same for course. Okay, if not, that particular records, update migration status as college not found or course not found or department not found in comma separated. Okay, simple. So update set migration status. Okay, simple case statement. If status is null, then write. If not null, then else. In comma separated, add this remark also. Simple. From student verified data. Now what I am doing, I am left joining college master. Okay, on the basis of college name, I am comparing. Okay, where condition c.college is not null. I hope you are now familiar with writing SQL queries, and I hope I am considering that you guys are understood this query or understand this query, right? So where c.college id is null. Okay, simple. Now let's check. Okay, before executing this, let's check manually. Here we have ABC Engineering College, XYZ, ABCD, right? Okay, we have basically three distinct college names as per Excel, but as per our main college master table, okay, we have only ABC and XYZ. That means ABCD college does not exist in our system or in our software. Okay, so, and we have one student having ABCD as college. So ultimately one record is filtered here, one row affected. Okay, as you can see, college not found. Simple, one validation. Okay, now we have checked the college for all students whether exist or not. So now what we are doing is we are updating, okay, that students college IDs. Why? Because that college name exists in our system. So in result we get 6 rows affected. Yes, correct. Now again you see, you check in our master table also ABCD's engineering college name, his ID is 1, XYZ2. So that's only get updated. Okay, if you want I will provide you this all query in the description. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Simple, same approach, same query we will execute for course. Okay, one row affected, and apart from that update each and everything. Simple, same query, just the difference of table and column names. Done. We have done for course check also. Now very important part for student check. Okay, so we have to make sure that each and every student's ID is unique, right? So if there is duplicate student ID, we need to prevent that. Okay, so for that again what I did is inner join student verified data and student data inner join based on student ID. If that's matched, update its that migration status as student already exists. Okay, so let's see manually here. As you can see, 102 is present in Excel also. Okay, and 10 ID is present here on data analysis we got. So that means this Anjali Mehta, she is already present in our student data main table, so no need to import or migrate that. So using this validation query, as you can see, we got the remark as student already exists. Okay, in this way, in the real time also, in this way, using queries only, we'll validate. So our validation part is done. Okay, we got only Out of 7, we got only 3 records which are ready to insert or migrate to our main student data table. Okay, so done. So these 3 records will get inserted into the student main table, that is student data. I hope you guys are getting. Let me know in the comment section. So now I'll execute this. Simple insert query. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you want any explanation for any query. I will try my best to explain that in the comment section. Okay, or else I will create another video and I will explain the query. Don't worry. So this is though. So what we did is, wherever incorrect data, for that we have updated the migration status. Okay, and wherever the records are exactly matched, for that we kept the migration status as null. So simply what I mentioned in where condition, migrate that data, okay, having migration status as null. Simple. Here 3 rows affected, right? Simple. As you can see, these 3 students, their college, department, course, all are get matched with our main master tables. So successfully we have migrated that student's data. So in this way also in real time, okay, we use to migrate record. Okay, first we'll analyze the data, okay, with respect to our tables, okay, the data provided by the client and the number of tables present here. Okay, and then using query we'll validate and simple insert query. This simple steps is followed. Okay, so the motto is to make you guys know about how the data is get migrated. Okay, so I hope you guys are getting. Let me in the comment section. Okay, so this was all about the student data upload utility. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.